Okay, light ring dash at least registered correctly. Hmm. Oh, that was gay. There we go. Light ring dash again. What else is new? And yeah, I kind of need those rings this time. Oh shh.
Let's head into the volcano.
Why would you want to do that? Okay, I'm heading for the volcano. I guess I'm going inside of it. It looks no different from where I just left from. And here's the most boring part of the stage. I ain't trying to do nothing crazy or fancy. I'm just trying to get up out of here. No, I'm not running sideways. That is a trap. There we go. Avoid enemies and invincibility. Invincibility actually does nothing except shield you from damage. But I could have sworn it's supposed to also do damage to the enemies. You said it right on cue. Ah, yes. The infamous dark area of the volcano. Always watch your step here. For obvious reasons, because it's dark. There's a doorway there. Am I supposed to go there? No. Because that is not the exit door. This game does stuff so it can lie to you and trick you. I'm going to take a small break. I'll be right back.